Hey everyone, Procreate Dreams released version 1.07 this week. I wanted to share some of the feature updates. The biggest updates were to the draw and paint layers. You can now finally rearrange your layers with drag and drop just like in Procreate. And now they have also added in layer masks, which will allow you to control the visibility of the layer content. Next, we have layer grouping, and just like with Procreate, you can just right swipe layers and then tap group to group layers. Lastly, you can also adjust the opacity of layer masks by painting or drawing with shades of gray. Next, we have updates to the brush library. Now you can organize brushes and brush sets with drag and drop in the brush library. And drag and drop can also be used when importing brushes from Procreate, so you can drop them where you need them like an already set up brush set. Another cool update, onion skins are now on in Draw and Paint by default, and you can still hide or show onion skins at any time by tapping the timestamp. And some additional improvements of this release include stability improvements for the Gaussian blur on text, import improvements that'll let you drag and drop combinations of brushes, brush sets, and palettes onto the stage at once, and lastly, improvements for importing FLAC files. I'm happy to see the Savage team continue rolling out these updates every week. I still can't wait for quick shapes and selection tools, but it feels like we'll be seeing those soon. What are your thoughts on the latest updates? And what missing features are you looking most forward to? Share down below.